Hello guys, welcome back to my channel everyone. This is Pratik. So today we'll speak about the mic setup which I'm using on my GoPro Hero 6 Black. So all the parts which I purchased are linked in the description below. In YouTube you can find many videos of mic setup, but parts were not available in India. So frankly saying, I was a bit confused about which mic I should buy for the GoPro Hero 6. Is it compatible with Hero 6 or not? So guys, in this video I will show you what all things you need to buy to have a good mic setup in GoPro Hero 6 or Hero 7. It's applicable for both, but the Hero 8 is having the structure is different, the ports are different in a Hero 8. So for that there will be a separate video. So the first thing which you need is a GoPro mount from a company called Blue Armor. It's available on their website for 400 rupees, and you can directly mount your GoPro using a J mount. But what I am using is a Telchin strapped mount, which I put it on top of that GoPro mount from Blue Armor. So this Telchin strapped mount is available on Amazon and other websites for around 800 rupees. I got it from a local store for the same amount. So the packaging is simple and it is easy to use. You get two straps along with clips, and you can mount it in your chin position of the helmet. It's very simple to install. I'm using the GoPro mount from Blue Armor as the base of the original Telchin strap, where I will be installing the camera. This combination is great and simple, and it prevents the camera from moving, and it also helps to keep the camera in the center of the helmet. This is how you can install the Telchin strap mount using the straps and the clips in the chin part of the helmet. The next thing which I purchased is a GoPro case from Ulanzi. It can hold both the GoPro and the mic together. You can get it from Amazon for 1000 rupees. To use the GoPro mic adapter with the GoPro Hero 6 Black, you need to detach the door which contains the charging slot for the GoPro. Detaching the flap means your GoPro is not waterproof now. Next thing you need to purchase is a mic adapter from GoPro. It's available in their website as well as in Amazon. It supports GoPro Hero 5, 6 and 7. The price of the product usually changes from 3500 to 6000 rupees. In that Ulanzi case, you will get a sliding door in the back side of the case, and from there you need to put your GoPro in. The product seems to be great as it doesn't make any rattling noise while shaking the case. There is a separate slot for keeping the mic adapter, and you can connect it to the GoPro charging slot, the Type-C port. You get a cold shoe mount also, where you can mount your external mic or any external light. In our case we won't be using that one. Using a J-type mount and a GoPro screw, I am mounting the setup in my helmet. Mounting the Ulanzi case is same like installing a GoPro case. Using a J mount and screw, you can directly install your GoPro like this, as you can see. Now comes the most important part of the video, the microphone. This microphone is manufactured by a company named Moano. It's available in Amazon for 700 rupees. I know most of the lavalier microphones are not compatible with the GoPro mic adapter. In the following steps I will explain you why. Let's see what's inside the box as of now. So you will get a carrying case and a collar mount, which is good. But we won't be using that collar mount because we are going to install it inside our helmet. Apart from that, the mic itself and some usual documentations. So in the past I have purchased and tried multiple mics from Amazon, but none of them worked. I will tell you why. So there are two type of input jacks, as you can see from my video. The left hand side is having one ring and the right hand side is having two rings. And GoPro supports only the TRS input and not the TRRS input, which is having the double ring structure. So we need a adapter which will convert from TRRS to TRS adapter. This adapter is not available with all the lavalier microphones which are available on Amazon. That's why this microphone is special and it is supported by the GoPro adapter as well. So if you want to use any other microphones with your GoPro adapter, you need to first check it if it is having TRS or TRRS structure. If it is of TRS type, it will work fine with GoPro adapter. If it is not, then you need to buy a converter like they have given in the package. So now what I will do is I will install my mic setup inside my helmet and I will use the double-sided tapes and velcro straps for it. So I have detached the flaps from my helmet and kept the wires inside them, and I placed the mic like you can see in the left side and the jack comes out from the right side. So this is how the final setup looks like. So in the later video I will show you what is the difference with and without the mic in low speeds as well as in high speeds. So if you add up the total prices, I have spent around 6,100 for the complete setup, excluding the GoPro price obviously. So this is how the final setup looks. Now let's ride and check out the audio difference between the old setup and my new mic setup. So as you can see, the audio is coming clear even though I'm riding at 80-90 kilometers in Bangalore. So there won't be any wind noise as such if you have a good helmet and good padding inside the helmet actually. So in this high speed we can test out the quality of the mic which I'm using. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope it will be helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, please comment down in the comment section below. I will try to answer that as soon as possible. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.